What is the next big ring pop flavor?
Could mashed potatoes be considered a sauce?
What is the phobia of chainsaws called?
Common sense.
How many Whoppers can you eat?
How do I get rid of pickle smell? Off body, quick!
Life hasn't been the same since Pluto lost its planet recognition. Who invented the names of things? Need tips on telling the difference between Ben Stiller and Adam Sandler.
I poured Gatorade into the bleach hole of a laundromat washing machine. What now?
Where can I get free clarinet sheet music of Linkin Park?
Is it normal that I eat my Hot Pockets in the dark? Update, ham and cheese.
Where is a good place to eat if you like to watch old people spill stuff?
I need a word that begins with J, not jelly.
Do you have to mentally add prices if you work at Subway? What is the least amount of equipment I need to make dubstep?
Yahoo!